The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 44. Moreover, Mahāmati, in viewing everything as an illusion, if not for illusions, there would be nothing to compare things to. Mahāmati said, Bhagavan, do you say things are illusory because of attachment to illusory characteristics, or because of attachment to something else? If everything that exists was illusory because of attachment to different illusory characteristics, Bhagavan, something would exist that wasn't illusory. And how so? Because the different characteristics of a form have no cause. Bhagavan, it is the appearance of the different uncaused characteristics of a form that is illusory. Therefore, Bhagavan, it isn't attachment to different illusory characteristics that makes things seem illusory. The Buddha told Mahāmati, it isn't because of attachment to different illusory characteristics that makes everything seem illusory. Rather, Mahāmati, it is because everything is unreal and vanishes as fast as lightning. That is why it is illusory. Like lightning, Mahāmati, it appears but for a moment, and as soon as it appears, it disappears. But this is not how things appear to foolish people, who observe everything in terms of the individual and shared characteristics of their own projections. Since what doesn't exist doesn't appear, they remain attached to the characteristics of form. The Buddha then repeated the meaning of this in verse. If not an illusion, what are things like? Thus are they called illusory. Unreal and transient as lightning, thus are they called illusory.